Hello friends, welcome to Akshay Traders. And friends, today we are going to see the latest updates regarding to Hfcl. So friends, recently also I done a video regarding Hfcl and I mentioned about their orders and all those things. So I am just briefing about today. And today they got a new product update which is used for 5G upgradations in all over the India and abroad. So they will manufacture in India, they will utilize for Indian companies, or they can export that product for outside of India also. So the product name which they mentioned is this is like a we don't know much better 5G 8TAR macro radio unit. They are given this name and it is a wireless access network connectivity category. So it's mainly used for upgradation of signals in 5G development. So see here, accelerate 5G development in the combines the power of VRAN and open standards. So these two they are mentioning about these things, and you already know today is the day where 5G rollout happening in four metro cities in India, and which was starting by Narendra Modi sir today. So we can expect like Airtel and what you called Reliance, which both two companies are giving 5G access in the major cities. So HFCL having some partnership with Reliance, so we can expect like a much expansion in coming years also. So we can expect like HFCL also going to benefit. That's the major reason. If you observe here, this moving average line continuously giving some support, so major support. So keep this 66 as of now as a stop loss, and you can go and invest in this HFCL stock. I am expecting this is as a stop loss. So one day below closing must be needed, or if you can expect still you feel it worth and keep today closing below this, that is your stop loss. So hope friends you can understand how it is moving at all after we picking long 2 years back when it is around 15 rupees. So thank you very much. And friends, they announced another product which is like a Wi-Fi 7 access point. So this is also a very important thing, like continuous upgradations needed for Wi-Fi access points. If you observe here, they are actually Wi-Fi 5 they have, Wi-Fi 6 they have, now it is Wi-Fi 7 in collaboration with Qualcomm technologies. So if you observe here, the name Qualcomm is also a very important thing. So these are all the newses which came after market in weekend. So we can expect on Monday a positive move in HFCL. Thank you.